Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Uba Himalaya muktan Shangpliang, ubalami no naka party BJP naka jingsha le bemsut nyau, hau President jong ka party uba Ernest Mauri ura pentip. Ba unsa penyaso no yaladi syakaseng sain perthai National People's Party, kababat yaw lakam sensyar hapo kajela. Haka jinga keren bikila pathai kubor haka nyawtrik unai lur arasa apulai. Uba Shangpliang ulai thuru bauladat banya selong baru President jong ke NPP Mausen Ram Circle uba Alvin Saukmi ubala menjur ya kadi kajing terwa kenang men penklan shu ya ke parti kum kajing penkre ya ke election Lok Sabha bat ke election MDC ki ban selong house nam hajar arpusau. Shu ulai thuru ba kajing penyaso jong u bat ke NPP kalong klem kinu kajing bu kendon.
Yes, as you have seen in the news media around, I am planning to join the NPP, and the scheduled date for entering, for being inducted in the NPP is on the 13th of September at 2 p.m. in the state NPP headquarter office.
Are you contesting?
Joining the NPP, I have seen the leadership of Mr. Conrad Sangma. In this 5 years of government, 5 years of chief ministership, Mr. Conrad Sangma has brought drastic change in the state of Meghalaya. There has been a lot of development. We could see development coming, and we could see more to come. And therefore, I thought that NPP is the only party of the state that perhaps could provide the people of the state the sense of security, the sense of development, and a future for the people of Meghalaya. I am joining the NPP without any conditions. I'm making it very clear to you. Once I join the NPP, I will be a member of the party, and whatever the high command of the party finds me fit with a responsibility, I'm ready to shoulder that.